Well, as requested by the manufacturer, they sent me a battery from Amazon to put in a Dyson V6, and this is very much the same process in a V8. So let's go ahead and open it up and see how it comes. Now, if you'd like to get my my pocket knife, you can go to Mass Drop and pick up that Terzuola, I think they call it a CTF pocket knife. Little liner lock flipper. So let's see what's in here, how this battery comes. Let's see, just got an invoice there. Got a part number there. And there's the logo. Oh, nice packing. Yeah. Well, the postman's not going to beat that up on the way in. Let's see if it comes with any sort of charge. Oh, it might. So, let's say the color is slightly off, but not bad. Let's see if it works and if it comes with the charge.
The generic parts I've noticed are always like a one shade light.
Yeah, generic parts usually are, except for DC-17 brush rollers. Those are always right on. In fact, I'd say the replacement DC-17 brush roller is better. But back to the matter of battery and changing it. Now, Dyson went away from a changeable battery because they thought people were accidentally dropping them off.
Just the screw in the back.
Yeah, sorry, it's been a minute since I've done one of these. You know, we've gone on to kind of a lot of the newer models, so these have become very, very scarce now, almost.
Not here.
So, let's see what's here, compare them. Well, the numbers are different, that's to be expected, but everything else seems the same. So let's see if it runs. Yep, fits in there nice and snug. I like that. So, let's see right there how that goes.
Well, they did actually have some problems on the toolless removable battery, where the contacts would just get messed up.
Yeah, they didn't make them right, you know. Yeah. Dyson being made in Malaysia.
These are a lot less troublesome.
Speaking of which, this battery is made in China, which gives me incredibly more confidence than Malaysian labor, because I know adults at least made it. I know a lot of people rip on Chinese quality, but I really will put China over Malaysian labor any day of the week. So let's just see if it fires up. Fires up and runs. On the low. That appears to work. Let's see if it fits in the charging base station. And if it fits in the charging base station, I'm going to go ahead and say this battery is of suitable quality. Yep. Alright, so that fits in. Well, I would be satisfied with that if that was, well, I wouldn't be satisfied with the Dyson, but I would be satisfied with that battery as a replacement battery. We'll put a link to the description of this battery below, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to field test this battery a little bit more, give you an idea, you know, its charging, its life, if it heats up, and all of that. So as always, thumbs up, subscribe, and check the description below.